Hey there, bakery lovers. Today I'm making something extraordinary, a giant Oreo cake. Ready to see some seriously satisfying baking? Let's dive in. First, check out this beauty. Yes, that's the giant Oreo cake we'll be making today. Look at those layers. Let's start with the ingredients. We've got flour, cocoa powder, eggs, cream, and, of course, lots of Oreos. Look at these textures and colors, just delicious. Now, let's make that cake batter. Watch closely as I mix the flour and cocoa powder together. The sound of the mixer is so soothing, isn't it? Perfectly blended. Time to pour the batter into the molds. Look at that smooth, velvety texture. Into the oven they go. Let's speed up the baking process. Look at them rise like magic. Next up, the Oreo cream filling. We'll crush those Oreos and blend them into the cream. Look at that texture, so rich and creamy. Now the fun part, assembly. Let's carefully layer the cake in cream. Slow and steady, just look at that. Almost done. And voila! Feast your eyes on this giant Oreo cake. Look at those layers, the texture, the size. It's perfect. If you enjoyed watching this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more delicious creations. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Keep baking and stay sweet.